It is beautiful here today. The sun is shining and the birds are actually singing. We're gonna head into Dollarama. These little Skittle eggs are $1.25, which is cute for an Easter egg hunt. I'm just gonna go down this gardening area super quick here. Oh, this is the same packs you would find at Dollar Tree, but they're only $1 here, so that's a pretty good value. We'll go through the home decor area, some new signs. This here's $4. It's not very big. If you need little accent pieces or glitter pieces, this is a pretty good value for $2. If you're just starting off with a little craft stash for paper crafting, this is also fantastic. Very good price because you'd pay easily $20 to $25 at Michael's for those packages there. Dollarama has everything these days. Look at these little pom-pom packages. There's just everything here. Like, you really need to be careful when you're purchasing certain things here versus Michael's, etc. But you're definitely going to save a ton of money on crafts if you really do a little bit of comparing here and there. Like, even this metallic foil is going to be so much more expensive at Michael's. Check this out. This is awesome. Just so many different wires, and these are a great price as well. Super great price. This is another great buy, the little micro tip Westcott scissors. Fantastic price, fantastic product, titanium blade. My daughter has this package and she enjoys using the markers. She's never complained that they don't work. I am looking for the new journals that are out. In the meantime, I always like looking at their pens. I have issues when it comes to pens. these the one touch? Like you literally just... No, they're not. These ones? Are they... When I used to help in one of the classrooms at school, the teacher had this one stapler that I literally would just press, like I wouldn't have to hold it down. So as I'm walking through the store, I'm realizing that there is a lot... Oh, this is cute. A little LOL set. It's a diary with a lock. And more LOL things. Okay, so... Or no, those just little squad goals. Sorry, so as I'm walking through the store, I'm realizing the music that the radio is playing is all copyright. So I'm going to turn down... Oh, these are magnetic. I'm going to turn down the volume in the background, otherwise my channel is going to get a huge strike and they can just shut it down. So I'm going to take the music and I'm going to turn it down, and I'm going to insert my own music that I pay for copyright licenses through Epidemic Sound. So if you guys notice that, I just want to say the reason is because the music is so loud in the store. Some stores, oh, this is cute. Some stores don't play their music as loud, so then I can just kind of upload the video because it doesn't pick up on my mic. But this music is blaring, so it's going to come nice and clear through my microphone, and I don't want any trouble. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy even with my Epidemic Sound music. Let me know what kind of music's your favorite if I'm going to override the music in these videos. So check this out. These here are the exact same packages, 2 in a pack. They're the large dice that Dollar Tree sells as well for an extra a quarter. So if you want to save some money, these are really popular amongst the kids. But if you want to save some money, if you're making, the tic-tac-toe things, just come on over to Dollarama. Dollarama has had some really cute finds. Like, these are adorable. It's the 12-month, so the little calendar type thing to take a picture. The blankets are absolutely amazing quality these days, and they have had some great products in the toiletry department lately. My little bear's favorite blanket in his crate is a blue blanket similar to this waffle, and it's just too bad that this isn't big enough for his crate. It might be, I might even buy one and see if it works out, but it's just his favorite and it's getting all filled with little holes. I can't believe it was 3 years ago already that we rescued him. There are some really wonderful little packages like nail polish and just all sorts of things down this area here. If you're looking for Easter baskets or things for Easter baskets, sorry. Look at this little toothbrush holder. It's, I believe, from the Shopkins line. Maybe it's not so popular anymore, but how cute is this? So anyways, there are some awesome options in the toiletry department for even Easter gifts. You don't have to just stick to the Easter aisle when you're looking for gifts. You can think outside the box a little bit too, right? Even hair accessories or a new hairbrush, different things. So many things. This little package is most adorable. If you have a little party, a princess party or a baby shower to host, those are so cute for cupcake decorations. Wow, has anyone tried this? These are shoe racks. I'm not sure how sturdy they would be, but this is pretty awesome. These are new to me. They're glass. I'm just not sure. $4. I'm just not sure the practicality of pouring. Has anyone tried these beverage dispensers? Oh, look at these farmhouse style canisters. So this is a great product line, Onada. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but for $4 a glass, you're better off to go to the Bay or even Home Sense and buy a box, because that's going to get really expensive at $4 a piece. Oh, if I had little ones, this is just too stinking cute. Oh my gosh, you cut up your sandwich. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed walking around the store with me. They have some leftover Valentine's Day Hallmark stuff. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.